Hello guys, it's been a while since I posted the last video of my pond. So today, well yesterday actually, we got dumped with about 12 inches of snow again on the ground. I just finished cleaning them up at the front, and now I just want to do a little bit of video of my pond just to show you guys. Alright, as you can see, lots of snow in the backyard now. You can see how high that is on top of the storage boxes. And over here at the pond, well, my bubbler is still running pretty good. I turned on and off my deicer, so it's not too cold today. It's +1 actually, and sunny. And as you can see, I have a big opening right there, but lots of snow on the ground. One thing that I have not told you guys yet, and that's one of the reasons I haven't posted any video. Unfortunately, the entire population of koi and goldfish in my pond got wiped out by minks. So there's no fish down in the pond anymore. I'll post another video of the underwater to show you and to check. But the last time I looked down, there was no sign of any fish left. And my blink camera did capture some minks movement. Which I thought they were squirrels, but then I realized that a lot of disturbance under the water in the pond last November. Then I noticed no more fish in the pond. That was when I realized that my entire population of koi and goldfish got wiped out by minks. So by next spring, I have to start my pond all over again with new batch of koi and goldfish. But for now, I still keep the bubbler running, just to hope that there's still some sign of fries down there that will survive during the minks attack. So just that for now, and let's check the temperature of the water. Let's see how thick the snow is. Yeah, okay, that's how I can open my shed. Yeah, right now it's at 0 degrees there at the bottom there. And yeah, just to let you know, I got no more fish out there for now. No big fish. Just for the last 4 years of growing, it's all gone now. Well, that's it for another update, guys. I think I'll post another video of the underwater video to see if there's any fish left out there, any baby fish. But that won't happen until the weather getting warmer. Then I can do it safely to avoid any incident happen again. Okay, that's it for now. Stay warm and enjoy your weekend. Bye for now.